Why you should buy new construction before the summer. So there are several reasons why buying a new construction home before summer can be beneficial. In the summertime, there's increased demand. So there's demand for new construction homes. Typically in the summertime, it increases as more people are looking to move. By buying before the busy season, you may be able to negotiate better terms and avoid the bidding wars that can occur during peak season. So building a new home takes time, and if you start the process before the summer months, you may be able to move in before the busy season begins. So this can be especially beneficial if you have children, because it'll allow them to settle into their new home and get acclimated to their new surroundings before the start of the school year. There's also better weather. Building a home is often more efficient when the weather is mild, and starting the process before summer can mean, better conditions for construction. And then, also if there's delays as well. So that can also, help to ensure your home is completed on time, though that's not a guarantee, of course. So that's something to consider. Also, many new construction communities, they have multiple designs and floor plans to choose from. So the earlier you start the process, the more options you may have available. Additionally, you may be able to customize your home to better meet like your needs, your preferences, instead of just going with whatever the builder had already chosen for you. It gives you more time to prepare. By buying new construction before the summer, it allows you more time to prepare for the move, packing, organizing your belongings. And so this can, definitely help reduce that stress and uncertainty that can often come with buying a home. So of course, this is up to you and, what you want to do. But my suggestion is, take advantage of it now before the summer hits. Now that is right around the corner. It almost feels like it's right around the corner. It's February. But, if you are looking at, making that move into new construction, make sure you're reaching out to us as well, so that when you have that representation, the new build communities like to cut realtors out of it. And so therefore it cuts your representation out of it, because the builders at that community is just representing them. They're not representing you. So you need somebody on your side to ensure that things are going as needed. And some people, may not realize, that if they go in without a realtor, or, contact the community without a realtor, that they cut out their own representation. So make sure that you're contacting us, or whatever your local realtor is, and make sure that you get that representation. So